I'm making Pao Chicken with Pam, oil-free. And you would need some hoisin sauce, some crushed pepper, soy sauce, cornstarch with some water, peanut butter powder. Today I used red pepper, an orange pepper, and yellow pepper, and white onions, and chicken. So I start off with putting the Pam in the frying pan first before I turn on the heat, so that we don't get no fire. Never spray pans in a direct open flame, even if the pan is over it. So that's done. Always do medium or low to avoid any burning. Yep. And you start off with onions and pepper. Stir it. This is going to take about 5 minutes. And occasionally you can remove the pan and spray some more Pam in it. So I'm going to cover up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes.